Hi everyone, this is Jim and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We got a chance to meet David Licauco for free. Ready to meet David Licauco for free? Kuya Korea is making it a reality as we host a special giveaway for his meet and greet this Sunday, May 25 at SM Clark Kuya Korea. To join, like and share this post, like and follow Kuya Korea's Facebook and Instagram pages. Guess the new 6 Kuya Korea ball flavors on our upcoming post dropping today. More comments, more entries on our post, more chances of winning. 3 winners will win an exclusive meet and greet with David Licauco and 1 new Kuya Korea bowl of your choice. Winners will be announced tomorrow, May 24. Tag your friends and not to miss the unforgettable experience for free. Will you be the lucky one? Ayun na nga guys, so kung gusto nyong maka-meet and greet si David for free tomorrow sa Kuya Korea SM Clark, yun na nga, like, comment, at saka share nga yung Facebook at saka Instagram page at follow na din. Ayan na nga, so may mga clues na silang binigay guys. At next nga ay Plinex ni Kenzie. Ay na cute na si David. At ng Porsche Taycan ni David Licauco. At passenger nga si Kenzie, no? Wala kasing driver si David. At yan, kasama rin si Marion James. Mukhang nag-passenger din si Marion James. Baka backseat siya. And as per Google, this is around 7.2 million. At next nga yung IG story ni Kenzie. Yan yung nag-TikTok live si David Licauco. At ito naman post ni Kaliwakanaan. Ayan, David Licauco. $10 at saka si Kaliwakanaan nga. At next naman ay purse ng Hervicin. Barbie knows convos are better when you're feeling fresh. Hervicin Cooling Mouth Spray helps soothe that itchy throat with its cooling sensation and helps keep comfortable during long chats this summer. Results may vary with regular use. Stay updated and unbothered the Barbie way. Ayun nga, more pictures of Barbie. At ito naman Instagram story ni Barbie. Ayun na nga yung parang script niya sa Beauty Empire. At ito Instagram story ni Miss Rufa Gutierrez. Hello from Velma Imperial of Beauty Empire. At next ay post ng Barda FC. Let's get our keyboards ready. We're kicking off our Twitter party tonight at 6 p.m. to build hype for Barda's guesting on It's Showtime tomorrow. Let's make some noise. Hashtag Barda for It's Showtime. At trending nga siya kanina 7:51 guys. Congrats. At next post ng GMA Network, hindi mo gugustuhin palampasin ito. Ano kaya ang kwento sa likod ng larawang ito? Abangan sa 24 oras ngayong Lunes, May 26. Ayan na nga, ang pinakamagandang laban, Noreen Alfonso, CEO Halina Beauty. Ayun na nga, napaka-pretty si Miss Barbie Fortesa. Ito nga yung pictorial niyan. Barbie Fortesa is Noreen Alfonso for Beauty Empire. At yun na nga, napaka-sexy ba? Diba? Kita ang legs. Napaka-puti niya sa personal guys. Grabe. At next naman ay Kailin Alcantara as Shari De Jesus, Beauty Empire. She's strong, sharp, and unstoppable. Kailin Alcantara transformed into Shari of Beauty Empire. Brought to you by GMA Views, Kazan Studios, streaming soon on View. At next naman ay pinost sa YouTube kagabi, not seen on TV, Beauty Empire Pictorial online exclusive. Let's watch this.
Hi! Welcome sa Pictorial ng Beauty Empire.
Ayun nga, the pretty Miss Kailin Alcantara. At next naman is the pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa, Chaibol Heiress Era. Ay, nag-kimsi yun ho, ano siya, smile challenge. Ay, wow. Miss Rufa Gutierrez. Is Miss Velma Imperial.
Yes, that's it. Cool, and nice. Good difference.
At next naman is the cute Sam Concepcion. Na hindi pa sinabi yung character name niya at hindi rin natin alam kung ano ba siya, bida or kontrabida. At si Choi Bomin, na cute to sa mga K-drama niya sa sa TikTok.
Hindi masyado mag-gets ng mga tao kung ano ba siya, kalaban na siya ng
At next naman is si Mr. Sid Lucero na Mr. ni Velma Imperial. So, siya yung maging asawa ni Rufa Gutierrez dito. Ayun na nga. So, Sid Lucero at si Choi. Naalala ko yung Jisoo Life ni Kalang.
Action!
Ayun na nga, the pretty Miss Barbie Fortesa. At hawak niya yung secret serum. At yan, pictorial nila Cho. Ayun, may pa heart pa. Uy, grabe, sweet din nila. Bagay din. Grabe mo, magkagalit na naman sa akin yan. Ay, ito gusto ko to. May love triangle kaya mabubuo dito. Ay, kaya nakasama pa pala si David, di ba? Higa siya dito. So, love square.
Okay.
Ayan, maraming salamat sa panonood mga kapuso. Sana po na-enjoy nyo ang video na to. Yeah, again, thank you for watching Not Seen on TV, Behind the Scenes. Please subscribe and please comment down below kung ano yung gusto nyo gawin namin sa next video. Wow, YouTube talaga. Bye, guys!
Oh, yun nga, love square din. At next naman, ay post ng Universal Records na nirepost ni David. Go behind the scenes with David Licaco on the set of I Think I Love You, catch the kilig, the charm, and everything in between. Listen now on all major streaming platforms. Let's watch this. Ayan na, the face card that never fades, the very cute David Licaco. Ayan, with the lollipop. At gusto ko yung messy hair. At ayan, oh wow, jewel eyes. At may Sarabelle's Kitchenette. At parang naubos niya na yung lollipop ha. Uy, grabe yan, nadiligan ka na ba? Ayan nga, Sarabelle's Kitchenette at Jules C. At yun na, pa-cute na si David. I think I love you. I think I also love you. Charot. At ito nga behind the scenes ng guesting nung May 21 sa It's Showtime ni David Licaco. Ayan, panguso. Ang kapal nung lower lip niya, diba? Sabi ni Barbie. Ay, nako. Anyway, napaka-cute. Nagpapakute na si David with his printed polo. At I can't wait to see it tomorrow. At next naman, ay spotted nga si David. So, post ni R, Tuesday jogger accidentally seeing David Licaco super pogi. Parang mali, di ba? Accidentally tapos seeing pa. Dapat siguro accidentally saw, di ba? Bakit? Si David. Sana makita natin mag-jogging kasama ni Barbie. At next. At ito nga ang bus na merong close-up print. Uy, grabe. Si Barbie tsaka si David. At tsaka si Ken. Inch by inch. We're moving closer. Grabe. At ito nga mga nirepost ni David Licaco sa kanyang TikTok. Shy tears up thanking his wife, Hailey, during his MVP speech. At ito naman ay nirepost ni David Licaco na video. Sabi nga ni Lexuan C, the truth is we don't post much. So basically, pareho silang athlete, tapos daw yung wife daw very supportive sa kanya. Nag-give up actually yung wife sa sa soccer. Tapos daw pinursu niya nga yung pagiging NBA player. Akala nga daw ng iba hiwalay na sila mag-asawa, pero hindi lang daw siya nagpo-post. So yun nga yung in-associate ni Barda Cute sa pagre-repost daw ni David. Kaya raw ni-repost dahil nga related sa Barda. Hindi lang nagpo-post pero sila pa din, mga ganun daw. Sana naman 2 years na ako naghihintay para sa na yan, announcement. Na mangyari yan, no. And lastly guys, meron nga tayong Barda chismis, okay? So sabi nila, or may chismis na nun daw close-up event ni Barbie tsaka ni David nung May 17, Saturday. Di ba nga nag-condolence nga si Barbie kay David. So ang nangyari daw, nun din daw araw na yon ay nagpadala daw ng bulaklak si Barbie Fortesa dun sa lamay ni Sir Jaime. At meron din daw siyang pinadalang sweets. So very thoughtful si Barbie. Kaya lang walang balita kung nagpunta si Barbie do sa lamay. Inaalam ba po natin yon? So bukas po ang ating programa. So makapagbibigay po ng informasyon. And I can't wait talaga doon sa It's Showtime nila bukas kasi marami raw nangyari nakakakilig. Grabe. Ayaw ay kwento sa amin, nakakagigil. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Barda updates. See you in my next vlog. Bye!